Hello, in this video I would like to introduce you one of our 15-inch screen which can reach about 1600 nits or a bit higher. This screen is actually designed to replace a bit older screens that have a same interface, same dimension, same bolt hole, screw hole. So you can visit our site for all the detailed lists, see this one can replace which screens. So this screen is already upgraded to our SP series, including a MS456UB LED driver and one 6-pin pigtail connectors. Let's take a look at the screen part numbers. It's a MS150RSBDF1420D1. MS150RSBDF1420D1. It's a 15-inch screen. So let's take a look, see how bright is it. I have my tester here. So you connect to here. Alright, this one you connect to here. Make sure the connection is good. Then we flick overs, just like this. I don't want this one to be short. So. Okay. Hope you see. Okay. My power chart here. So. Really bright on all the SB series. Let's make main orders. So let me change to white. Okay, so you can measure it. (1719) 1719 nits. (1691 nits). One more time. (1685) 1685 nits. So 3 times. That's pretty much more than 1600. Some screen might vary. Some might go a bit higher. Some might go a little bit lower. So it's pretty handy, and if your project needs to sunlight readable outside monitor, which is 15-inch size, this is one to go. And we also have a controller board available. Or if your application that needs to be adjust brightness constraint during the daytime and nighttime, you need to purchase additional what we call is an ADJ kit. So ADJ kit comes with the 10-part driver, 7805 regulator, and 1 knobs. See, here's how it works. Let me shut it off first. So I'm not going to use the supply. Use this one. So when you purchase this ADJ kit, we will install it for you before we ship. So, okay. Now you see it, right? So basically, you could just adjust it. See this? Well, this wire, yeah, this wire, yeah, there's interference. Sorry. Adjust it all the way. Adjust it really low. Almost can see it. Okay. Okay, so you do have the option. Thank you for watching.